5 on the B flat. Jump up to B flat here with your 2. 2 and 4. Swap the 4 to a 3. Big stretch. 5 at the bottom on E. Thumb on D. Good. 2 on the C sharp. Good. And then 4 on the A. Good. Now reset your hand to the start position. D and A. Good. Good. Jump up to B flat with 2. No B flat this time. Brilliant. Swap the 4 to a 2 on G. This one comes down here. Good. Yes. Now 2 and 4, but the 2 is on the sharp. Good. Down to A. Thumb on D. It's this bit.